Hello, I'm Theron Hayes, the Instructional Technology Coach for Tukwila Public Schools. This video is going to help you set up a classroom workstation. Be thinking, a little different than maybe in the past, that this classroom workstation is your public station, a place where students, you, and other guest teachers potentially could be presenting from, a more permanent station. With that in mind, this video that follows will also help you to understand how to connect all those pieces. It will involve your desktop PC, the classroom presentation tools that are in that cardboard box, as well as it will involve the outlet that's connected to your smartboard projector. Continue watching and make note of how to get hold of me and contact me either through the email address that is on the screen or through the web help desk. Please continue watching. The technology box. At the end of the year, you are asked to put away the classroom presentation tools into this container. Let's take a look at what's on the inside of that container. In a moment, we'll go through the old things that you remember putting in and a couple of new items that may be a bit of a surprise. First up, those old and good items. You can see right over here, the whip and dongle, always fun to say. From here, we have the student mic and the teacher lanyard mic, as well as the charging cord. And then last you will find the smart projector interactivity pins, as well as the charging cord and the remote that should be right on top. As for new, you will see not only the new document camera, USB cable for it, but also the new cord that will connect the VGA to the HDMI on your new desktop PC. These items are here and are all you need. If there's extra items such as cables, keyboards, mice, and such that you've placed in, not to worry. Put them back in the box if you're uncertain what to do with them. From here, we can now get started on connecting your desktop PC workstation. This is a video for connecting your desktop PC. So we now have ourselves set, so we are looking to the outlet that is near your smart projector. So what we need is the whip and dongle, and we also need that new cord. It has the VGA attachment, the big box end that looks like this, and it also has the HDMI attachment. Alright, for our purposes on this part, we need the VGA here, the new cord here. We also need the whip and dongle with the whip only end. So that means that big plastic piece, that part we don't need yet. That goes on the other end. So you should see this setup for us here. Now, here's how the connection happens. The VGA part, VGA here, matches up, make sure you've got the correct shape matching together. Push in firmly, tighten the screws to hold that heavy plug, and you just need to finger tight. It doesn't have to be like go get a wrench or a pair of pliers tight. Just snug to hold the weight. Next, it does not matter the order, but I am going to start at the top and work my way down to the bottom right. So I'm going to go with the HDMI. This you'll use as far as plugging in Chromebooks for student work to be displayed, and or your work if you also have an extra Chromebook. Next, the audio, which you'll connect to the desktop computer. The audio goes to here. And then last, you'll have the USB. Even though this doesn't look like a USB connector, it is going to help us with the screen interactivity. So the communication between the smartboard projector and whichever computer is connected to it. That's it. You have now connected the outlet materials here. This is part 2. We are setting up your desktop computer. To the side here, you can see that we have the outlet. Now what we are looking at here is the back of the desktop PC. We are going to be using the other end, the dongle end. That's what this plastic piece here, as well as the new part, the new HDMI connecting cord. So, we're coming to set up all of our PC for our workstation. First off, starting here, the audio side. You can see that there's several places you could plug things in, but there's 2 that'll fit, a microphone and the headphone. We are doing the sound, so we are going to use the audio, the headphones, plug straight in. The next part, we are going to use the HDMI. So that is the brand new cord. That brand new cord has a special side, match up the shapes, plug straight in firmly. Voila. Next step, the interactivity. So that means the USB connection. On the outlet side, it had it to where it didn't match up exactly, but on this side it will. So we are going to connect the USB part so that we have interactivity. Now I like to put all of my permanently connected USB pieces like keyboard, mouse, and now the smart board interactivity that's all together there. That'll permanently be connected. Along with, you can see that force space that'll work great for our next video on how to connect your new document camera. There are 2 plugs unused. The VGA, which is not plugged in on the outlet either. It has now become obsolete with this machine. If you were to use your laptop, the Lenovo ThinkPads, this and the other VGA need to be connected together. The HDMI, this is ready to go. All you need is a student Chromebook, another device such as some newer DVD players and such that many classrooms purchase with their own monies. So this is connected at the outlet, ready to project whatever is here and ready to go. Those are unused at the moment. You are now ready to turn on your workstation computer. Thank you again for watching. I hope this video has helped you. If there are any other questions or concerns that you do have, please know that you can contact me. Look to the email address below, as well as the phone number that will be attached there. And know that I'm also housed in an office here in the Annex building. That's the Technology and Transportation building behind Foster. Let me know how I can help.